Still need those in the smaller sizes. I want to scoop them up, sneakerheads. What's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go to smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in this video, we got the updates and recaps, starting off with the updates. So I do have some bad news for me and you, sneakerheads out there. So we know that the Travis Scotts are releasing, where there's new sources that are saying that Jordan 1 lows will be a significant reduction in shoe numbers in stocks. So there is no update of official stock numbers. However, there are rumors that are saying that these are going to be harder to get. So they took off like other partnerships. They took their stock away from them. So hopefully that means that the sneaker app could be getting more, but we're assuming that since Travis wants to be in charge of these, I think that Nike is punishing him. So maybe they're not giving him as much stock as in the past, but in the future, expect these Travis Scotts to be more harder to obtain. So I'm hoping that, they say Jordans are not in style no more and nobody's rocking the Jordans, but everybody keeps buying out these Travis Scotts, so I don't understand. Moving on to the Jordan recaps. So these are shoes that came out from the 10th to the 16th of November. Go and start us off, my brother.
So on November the 11th, we did have the Air Jordan 11 bread. This was a women's pair of shoes. Price point for those was $230. According to Nike.com, all sizes did sell out. Round of applause there, because I thought with that price point, I thought those was going to set. So nice work there, Jordan Brand. All sizes did sell out.
Yes, sir. So moving on, on November 16th, we did have the Jordan 4 Fears. It's my surprise they did sit around a little bit, but eventually sold out. Nice work there, Jordan Brand. These did come at a price point of $210. These haven't been dropped in a long time. This is the second time they're coming out for 2024. But if you still want these, small sizes are still available. So check your local Foot Locker or Finish Line. I did see sizes like 9 and below still available if you want these, but you gotta move quickly because they're disappearing fast. I know some of the sites did have some restock, so hopefully he was able to cop you a pair if you wanted these. Right now, my size 10, is going for on the retail. My size 10, StockX is going for $200. Foot Locker, Finish Line. So if you still need those in the smaller sizes, I want to scoop them up, sneakerheads.
Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we say for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.